What is up, guys? I'm Francis and welcome to TDS, the driving school. Come, follow me. I set up the driving school because after teaching a lot of people like you how to drive, I realized that your biggest priority is learning in a fun and professional environment with a trusted and verified driving instructor like me. Here at the driving school, we care about how you learn and who you learn with. So all of our driving instructors are personally vetted and verified by me, follow the DVSA driving course, and will make sure you can drive safely and confidently for life. Over here on the TDS TV channel, I'll be introducing you to our driving instructors and bringing you along on some driving lessons.
Okay, I'm ready for my driving lesson.
Okay, can I see your driving license?
Eh?
Showing you some tips and tricks on how to pass your driving test. Stop, you're now not concentrating. Your driving test is not over until the examiner tells you to turn the engine off. Giving you driving lessons you can watch at home as well, and loads of other content too, like what to do if you break down. So if you're thinking about learning how to drive, you're at the start of your lessons, you're at the middle of your lessons, or you're thinking about becoming a driving instructor like me, this channel is for you. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.